Shake that.
And a goose actually bit me. A Canada goose just went to stroke it. And he was like, "Huh."
And it's
Yeah.
like, "Huh."
Centre parks need to control their geese.
I was like,
No. Yeah, we feel your pain.
First kiss just like a drug. Under your influence, it's hit me in and on and on. You're making me now.
This goes out to Macy, 6'2", fan child.
Yes, amazing.
with a PH, Phil.
Brilliant. Here is Britney Spears. Everyone sing along.
Thank you.
I was trying to do the sexual baby. You know that I always
You
try
just
to do.
went on the radio.
Baby. Just,
No, it just sounded like you were briefly trying to have a poo.
wait.
Okay.
baby.
No. It's like a. It's like. Okay, let's move on.
Why does that happen? And then you get Den, which is a really manly name.
Are you implying that I'm not manly?
Maybe.
Do you want to fight right now? I'll take you on Phyllis.
Are you going to fight Phyllis?
Do you want to take on Den?
To move on swiftly. That was sorry. I don't know what just happened to me then. I'm sorry.
You were just really excited, and the whole sentence came out at the same time.
It came out in one sound.
One onomatopoeia of joy.
Don't know how to act. Don't let me make up for the things you like.